Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we're back with a how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. The last time we did this, we took a poll on our Instagram story to see what trending install you wanted us to recreate next. And you guys voted on this elevated grounded floral arch with our Millie Collection. So that is what we're going to show you today.
Yes. So the products we use to recreate this look are one of our tall gold stands, 3 of our Millie grand centerpieces, 4 of our Millie swags, 2 of our Millie standard centerpieces, and 2 of our Millie large centerpieces. No tools needed.
Now let's get into it. Okay, so we have the stand horizontally on the ground. Now we're going to take Millie grand centerpieces, place them inside the bars of the stand, and lean it forward. Okay, you're going to lean it forward, one on each side. And then we're going to come in with our swags. So this the Millie Collection has a swag. It sits flat on the ground and is attached to this cage with suction cups and hooks for you to either attach to a sign or a mirror. But again, they're lay flat, so it's really nice multi-use product. We're going to lay it against the front of the stand to block the bars and cover that up. So we'll do them across the bottom.
The way Abby put it out, it gives it a trailing effect.
Yeah, put this one next to that one. And then the last.
You could leave it like this. Yeah. But we're going to go the extra mile. Then we'll add you can add posies. We are going to add the standard and large centerpieces so it has some height. So I think I'm going to fill mine in on the corner.
Laying the large on its side so the vase doesn't show, but it still gives that nice trailing off look. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
This is really pretty.
Yeah.
And it's higher than a grounded arch, which some people prefer. And this is me and Abby standing next to it, so this kind of gives you a good variation of how tall it is.
And there you have it, an elevated grounded floral arch featuring the Millie Collection. Again, this was super easy to do. Like we said in the beginning, no tools are needed, so it was really a matter of just placing it where you want and making sure that it looks good. We do these how-tos a few different ways each week. On Mondays, we post a how-to on our YouTube channel. Sometimes we take requests from our audience, so if you are needing specific help with an area in your wedding, you're wondering how to recreate a ceremony arch or a sweetheart table or a tablescape, you can submit a request. In the description below we have a form. Let us know what area you need help with, your budget, what collection you're interested in. If you don't know, just give us the color palette vibe and we can suggest some for you. So that is one way. Another way is follow us on Instagram, and we will poll our Instagram audience every other week to see what install you want us to recreate, which is what we did today. And then sometimes we just show you what we want to show you, and I think that will be next week because we have something new coming.
Yes.
Not gonna give away too much, but
Stay
I think
tuned.
You guys will be excited.
Yeah. So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.